We made it to Supreme week 12, and that means we back in the stew with another video for y'all. The full drop list for this week isn't out yet, but I'm gonna cover what we got, you feel me? Might as well waste no time. If y'all do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. While you're down there, click the top link in the description to go and check out my brand, One Nori. We haven't dropped nothing yet, just know that it's coming soon, so make sure y'all go ahead and follow that. We surpassed 100, thank y'all so much, but let's keep running that shit up. Without any further ado, let's get straight to it, bro. So all the way at the top of the list, there's this revealed red blue chair for Casina. In the name in itself, we can tell that this bitch gonna be over $1,000. Rumors are that this shit is gonna be $4,000. I'm gonna let that shit breathe for a second, bro. $4,000 for a lawn chair. They're hitting the pipe in the back of the studio, bro. Like, who the fuck is paying $4,000 for a chair? Shit don't make no sense. This bitch don't even got no cushion. Your ass gonna be hurting on this bitch for $4,000 plus shipping plus tax. This shit gonna be like $4,300. You could buy a whole Honda for that price. My first car was cheaper than that. I'ma just let that be right there. Just think about that real quick. Second up, we got the Griffin Camp Cap. This one's actually kind of hard. It has like that military up material vibe to it. Almost looks like it's been through war, came back, and now they're selling it as a souvenir type shit. But honestly, I'm fucking with this one. I saw that there's gonna be a jacket. If I'm not mistaken, I think that shit dropped already, but this hat right here is clean. If I were to cop, I'd probably go for olive or black. The yellow camo one is a little too loud, you feel me? The distressed vibe on this isn't too bad. Hat is clean, I'm not gonna lie. I might go for this. I'm still debating, considering that the Amam in Year 4s are dropping this week. I'll talk about that a little bit at the end of the video. This hat is clean, olive or black only for me. We got this faux fur reversible MA1 jacket. Has this military vibe to it with the fur on the opposite side. I think this is actually not too bad. Only in the black color. I feel like in the black on black, it looks clean with that Supreme branding across the top. You got the full fur vibe on one side, then on the other one, you got that black military jacket. A little bit of fur on the head, but I'm not really fucking with it in any of the other colors. I really only like the black one for this one. I still think it's a pretty well executed jacket, and if you could freak it in the other colors, then hey, more power to you. For me, it would only be in the black. Not bad, to be honest. This jacket go hard. Ooh, we got loose gauge beanies this week. Y'all already know I fucks with the beanies from Supreme. I low-key have way too many, but one of these might have to come home with me. That tan color, fire. Gray in there is clean. You got this blue tone, some blacks, clean colors, not gonna lie. Especially with winter around the block, you could definitely not go wrong with a new beanie. This is probably one of my favorite designs as far as beanies go from Supreme, so I'm amped about these. Definitely a solid hat for winter time. Damn, bro, I might have to pick this one up. And that tan color, shit's looking fire, bro. Let me know if y'all copping the beanie or is it a dub for you. So Supreme added this box logo Kochiwan sweater. It's basically like a cardigan that's knitted. Then on the back, it has this Supreme box logo. It says New York, then has the New York store number under it. I feel like this shit is actually fire, bro. And that cream color, mandatory cop. I actually fuck with this one heavy. If I were to go for it, I'd probably just buy the black or the cream. I feel like this piece actually spiced up this week a little bit. It added a little sazon to it, you feel me? Shit was looking kind of mid, but with this piece right here, it evolved from like a 5'6" to like a 7'8", at least in my opinion. Now you got this, the loose gauge beanie, that hat that's coming out, the chair, oh, heat coming out. I'm not gonna lie, this box logo cardigan, fire. They also added this wombat beanie. The wombat beanie is kind of mid, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is one that I wouldn't really go for. It's more for the Y2K aesthetic people out there. For me, this shit is kind of ass. I just thought I'd add it for y'all. They did add more shit, but I'm honestly not gonna cover it in the video. Y'all could check out Supreme Community for that. But yeah, let's get back to the vid. Next, we got this fleece hooded denim shirt. What the fuck is going on, bro? This shit got too much in one, bro. It's a jean shirt with sweater sleeves. So it's like you got a regular hoodie on with a jean vest on. Just think about that, bro. If you're not in 2014, mentally, this is not for you. Like, I low-key had a jean vest that I made myself back in the day, and I thought I was the shit, bro. But in 2022, I just don't know how well that's gonna reciprocate into some clothing, bro. Like, this shit got Supreme around the head, denim on hoodie vibes. If you gonna fuck with this, please just just do the black, and don't even do that, just buy a fucking denim jacket with a regular black hood separate, so you could do either or, you feel me? You can choose. We skipping on that shit, mandatory. We got the Vanson Leathers denim jacket. This one comes in 3 different colors. You got the super denim, that black denim, which is actually not that bad on this one. Normally with Vanson, they do these loud ass pieces. So with this black denim one, it's giving that Harley Davidson vibe, you feel me? And it's not looking too exotic. Low key might be one of my favorite pieces from the whole Vanson shit. I know they've had more louder pieces that were clean. This one's more on the subtle side, something you could wear more frequently, and I'm fucking with it. Now, will I buy something like this? Hell no. Once again, it's going towards that car repair money, cheap Honda money. It's just not making sense to buy $1,000 plus jacket. Not for me, at least. The highest I'll go is a TNF jacket, if that. Then you got the Bumblebee color. We just gonna leave that color where they made it at. There's the Gons Applique zip up sweater. This one comes in 4 different colors. You got a blue, a maroon, a cream, and a black. It's just whatever, bro. When Gons does his little logo shit, it's not really anything too special. I more so fuck with when he does the little cartoony vibe. As far as this zip up goes, could have been better, to be honest. I'm not really fucking with the 2-tone panels. Then that branding on the front is a little too loud for me. I would have preferred a small one, big one on the back. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for the zip up. For me, it's a dub. We got short sleeve pocket tees this week. Honestly, it's nothing too special. If you do want a tee from Supreme that has better quality, then I see why you'd go for something like this, but it just doesn't make sense. I feel like they normally do better ones than this right here, so it makes sense why this is lower on the list. Nothing too special, not really gonna waste my time on it much. I honestly don't even fuck with the colors too much. That grayish one isn't bad. Besides that, shit's a dub. Denim racer pants from Supreme and Vanson. We good. This is for the people that like fucking with the top and the bottom, like the little suit action. This is for y'all right here. Or if you going biking, you feel me, this is for you too. For me, shit just doesn't make sense, bro. Like, I think I've bought 1 pair of pants from Supreme, maybe 2. I don't wear either of them shits. I sold both of them now that I think about it. So yeah, pants from Supreme, not for me. Maybe one day if they drop some bangers. For now, we just gonna leave them shits, like I said, in the factory. Next up was the Tag hooded sweatshirt. Y'all know I'm a sucker for graffiti, but this one right here could have been better, bro. I can't even make out what the fuck it says on it, even though I know what it says on it, and that's a problem. When it comes to graffiti, I more so like the bubble letters. I like the spray vibe. This right here, nah, gotta go. It's not for me. Might be for you, but it's not for me. I'm fucking with the gray and the black, partially just because of the black and gray color. Could have been better, so it's a miss, bro. I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. This shit is ass. And last up for the drop list so far are these nylon pants. I'm assuming these go with the little faux fur jacket because they have the similar colors. These bitches have a zipper that goes from the top right by your belly button all the way to your ankle, bro. You could unzip this whole shit, yeet, and it all comes off. You trying to pee real quick in a rush, you could zip these whole bitches off. It's over. If you about to get some action, all you gotta do is zzz, and you out the pants, bro. I'm gravy on these. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. That's all that's confirmed so far. There is also gonna be a Public Image collaboration. I don't know what that's gonna consist of. I low-key went on Google and I saw this picture of Public Image. I don't know who the hell that is, but they're getting a Supreme collab this week. I'm not gassed for it at all. I just thought I'd let y'all know. What I'm mainly trying to fuck with this week are the Amamanier Jordan 4s. Fire. We got the 3s and the 1s. I don't have the 2s. I thought they were pretty solid, but honestly took an L on those. These 4s are better than all these shits, if not directly competing with the 3s, because these are beautiful, but them 4s, my boy, they haven't missed yet. That's all I'm gonna say. The 4s are sexy. If y'all trying to cop those, I believe they drop on the 17th, which is Thursday, same day as Supreme, you feel me? If you got $200 in your bank account, $220 I think, and you trying to go for either or, try going for the 4s, bro. Please don't do yourself the disservice of trying to go for a Supreme hoodie or jacket when you could get a pair of banger sneakers this week. If you are gonna decide to go for the 4s, they're gonna drop on Amamanier's website and on Sneakers app. That's all we know so far. There's not really too many raffles for those, but also remember the lost and found ones are coming next week, so I believe that the raffles are starting to load up. Just make sure y'all don't sleep, bro. I'm trying to keep y'all alerted on these shits. I know I've spoke about them multiple multiple times at this point, but it's because I don't want y'all to sleep on them and then regret it down the line, you feel me? So yeah, that's all I have for this video. If y'all enjoyed this one, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. If you are new, while you're down there, go ahead and check out One Nori. If you support me in any way, that's my brand, and that's gonna be way bigger than YouTube. I promise you. It's gonna take some time to grow it, but we gonna get there one day. If you're still watching this video, it means that you support me, and it would mean the world if y'all went ahead and checked out One Nori on Instagram. But with all that being said, I hope y'all had a great rest of your day, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.